Good morning. It is Saturday, September 2, and I got my coffee and it's rainy and dreary outside, so we're probably just gonna stick at home and do whatever. I cleaned yesterday. Corey mowed the lawn, thankfully, before it rained today, and I'll bring you back for breakfast. Breakfast this morning, 2 fried eggs with 1 slice of Velveeta cheese, 2 slices of bacon, 3 points for the bacon, 5 points for the egg, and 4 for my coffee. So that's 12 smart points total for breakfast. The rain is coming down today. Oh my goodness. Well, our garden definitely needed it anyhow. My plants were not enjoying the cold weather the last few nights. It was cold. It got down into the 40s, like low 40s. So they were not happy about that. Max is being playful today.
He's probably not running interference. He's sitting between him and the puppy.
Luna isn't as brave with Max as she is with Miley. Max gets a little more
Miley
jumpy.
keeps on getting in between them.
Luna keeps hiding behind my legs. The first time I ever seen Max so playful with her.
Hear that thunder?
Ooh, thunder. She usually isn't that vocal either. I don't think she likes Max playing with her. Really, Max? Max, be careful. She's a little more brave on my lap. You better, Max. What? What, Max? What? What? What's up? She doesn't bark at Miley, but she just barks at Max. Oh boy. That lovely sandwich does not belong to me, but it looks so good, doesn't it? Hot ham and cheese sandwich. This is my lunch. I'm having the leftover beef barley soup, the last of it. And this is 3 points. It's a very thin, I got the very last of it, so there's not much in here. So I've added 2 ounces of the Newski ham, which is so good. It's the smoked Newski ham, delicious. So I've got 2 ounces of that for 1 point. So that's 4 points so far. 3 for the pretzels. So 7, 1 for the Baby Bell cheese. That's 8 smart points for lunch. No coffee, but I'm having a big glass of water. And I am also editing my video for the Devil's Lake trip, which it probably will be up by the time this video is up. But that is what's going on right now. It's still kind of dreary and rainy out, but it's not raining anymore. But it is still cloudy and just a crappy day today, so we're staying in. Okay guys, there's my cup, a closer up view of it, and my second cup of coffee with this white foam is the caramel. It's so good, really good. So that's 9 grams of the caramel spray. So this coffee is 3 smart points, and my video is producing, so I will have that uploaded soon. Okay, this is dinner. I'm having eggs again. 2 fried eggs and Pam, 1 slice of Velveeta cheese, and then this is about 2 cups of veggies. We have steamed broccoli, broccoli, asparagus, and onions mixture. And that is dinner tonight. And that together, that's 5 smart points. Not bad. These are my snacks for the night. We have 1 tablespoon of the Toll House mini chocolate chips for 13 grams, and that is 3 points. A serving of pretzel sticks for 3 points, and this is sugar-free Jell-O for 0. And that is it for the night. So 6 points for snacks. Okay guys, I'm going to close up the vlog here. I've got my walk in. I did great with eating. I am just over 11,000 steps right now, so I feel pretty good about today. So that is it for the night, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye.